What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're having a splendid day. My name is Maz, and today is a special day because we are picking up a new daily driver. So you might be considering you just picked up a new daily driver, but as you may know, I had a Mustang back then, and the intention was to let the Mustang hibernate during the winter period and then drive the Audi A3, which I picked up as a daily. But the plans for the Mustang unfortunately changed, so I don't have that car any longer, and the Audi is also being removed from the fleet,
and we say bye-bye,
so to speak. I don't have a fleet. Whatever, it sounded good. So what we will do today is pick up a new daily driver. We'll have to take the trip to another city actually to pick it up. It's around 30 or so 40 minutes by commute train. I didn't have anybody to take me there, so I have to take the train to get there. So once we get there, and I am not sure if I'm allowed to film inside the premises because so if I'm allowed, I'll film something there. If not, then we'll continue filming once I have picked up the car. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on with the video. We are at the station. We are catching the train going to Uppsala in 12 minutes. But man, look at this weather. It's raining, it's 3 degrees Celsius, and it's starting to get dark already. The time is 10 minutes to 3. Not a spectacular day to pick up a new ride in, but anyhow, it has to be done, so yeah. The wise person would use some of this instead of having a daily, because you will not be sitting in traffic half of your commute time.
Uppsala, slutstation.
Here's my ride. Damn it, I went in the wrong direction. There is my ride. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. So it is a BMW 330e, which is a hybrid. So we have an 184 horsepower 2-liter gasoline engine, and also then a 68 horsepower electrical motor with a battery pack of, let me see, is it 12 kilowatt hours, I believe. So this is going to be the new daily. And what do you think of that color? It is astonishing. It's called Sunset Orange. Unfortunately, it's raining outside, so it will look like shit in a couple of minutes. But in the summer, this will be crazy. And the winter wheels are mounted, and unfortunately they are studded, and I asked for non-studded wheels, so my man is looking into if it's possible to swap them out for a non-studded tire version then. Summer wheels, which are in here, are 19-inch wheels, black ones, really nice. And I opted for the black trimmings. The grills, etc., are also in black then, which I think looks really nice. And we'll see if we'll put on some M Performance parts or similar, like a smaller spoiler in the back. Let's jump inside and have a look. Oh yeah, so nice. Alcantara. Leather on the doors. The 2 digital screens. It looks really good, I have to say. Alright, we have to wait a bit because they are switching out the wheels for non-studded version, so that is good. But it's raining like crazy outside and I don't want to take that outside now when it's raining for the first drive. Damn it. We are finally on the road. I didn't want to waste any time, so I started driving right away as soon as the wheels, thank God, were swapped for a non-studded tire version. I'm very thankful for that, and we have done a walkthrough of the settings and the media system and so on, and there are quite many things that can be set and changed and so on. And as you can see, we have the lovely display in front of us and also then the media display as well. It is a weird feeling because we are running on pure electric mode now, and we have been doing so for 23.6 kilometers, and we have only 13 left before we run out of juice or charge or whatever. And we've been traveling in not high speeds but highway speeds and pure electric mode with some AC and so on. So I guess the advertised range will be very difficult to reach, but in a regular commute, let's say up to 40-50 miles per hour or so, we will get quite close, and that will be good from a daily driving perspective. I don't want to film too much while I'm driving, but as you can see, we also have a beautiful head-up display with all kinds of different information that can be shown. We'll do a walkthrough of the complete system at a later stage, but for now, let's travel safely back home and we'll pick it up from there. We are finally back at home. The drive was a total pleasure. We did almost get it all the way here with just electric power, not fully. The batteries are fully drained now, but we have a problem. We don't have a charging cable for a regular socket. That is left behind at the dealer, so I have to go to another dealer which is much closer to us tomorrow and pick up a charging cable which I can use for our regular outlets until I get a charging station or so. So with that said, then it's a bit unfortunate because I was really interested to see how much battery is used going to work and coming back, but I guess that'll have to wait until next week then. But that's the way it is, and with the luck I have with cars, I mean, that's more or less would have been expected that something would be messed up, because again, then the tires came with studded tires even though I ordered without studs, and now the cable is at the dealer some 40 minutes or so away from here. But again then, well, first world problems, no issues as such. And I wanted to show you before I send these off for storage. So these are the 19-inch wheels. So these are M Sport wheels, and they are in gloss black, as you can see, and the tires are Bridgestone run flat tires. People are complaining about these not giving the dynamic feedback needed. It could be argued if that is really needed for a daily, which I will use my car for. If we want more dynamic driving, we have this other orange beauty. She's looking so nice sitting here. It's all cleaned, waxed, polished, whatever. Yeah, but this video was not intended for the Mazda, so we're talking about the BMW. I will not go over the options etc. today and show you the visual aspects of it a little bit more in detail. We'll wait until we have some more sunlight. So I will end the video now and I'll pick it up when we have some more light outside and we are not freezing our asses off.